Welcome to the AI Titan training video series. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use audio to text section in AI code section. Go to the left menu and click on audio to text. Now you are on audio to text section. You can change your audios into text here. Just add all required details. And your audio to text is ready. You can copy or download it. To use AI code section, go to the left menu and click on AI code. Now you are on AI code section. You can create AI code according to your choice here. Choose your coding language. Just add all required details. And your AI code is ready. You can copy it. Thanks for watching the video.